Four na talaga.
Trip pa lang.
Oh.
Kasi,
Is that yummy?
hello guys! So today, we're going to eat takoyaki with a twist. So, we're going to speak in English only. And we're going to use dice. Ulit. If you don't speak in English, it's disqualified. Game, game. Game. Maiba. Oh, wala yun ha, wala yun. Maiba. Taya. Name me first. Oh, start. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
4. I got
Oh my
4.
God.
1. Mm.
Is that yummy? Four na talaga.
Trip pa lang.
Oh.
Kasi,
Oh, naglayo.
oh, laya.
Yummy? Uy.
3.
No, pero while eating. Okay, oh, you're next. Give mo yung mic sa ano. Or, you talk to her.
You speak dapat, hindi pwedeng kain-kain lang.
Yeah. You need to speak. No speak, no eat.
Pag hindi siya nagsalita, disqualified, di na din pwede kumain.
Okay. You need to speak.
Ano mo? Naka-mute? Oh, wait lang, oh, tama na.
Okay, it's my turn. Four again.
Four ulit.
Yay. Okay.
Wait lang. Anong kasi?
First bite. Layo. Ang hirap naman.
Oh, naglayo.
Oh,
laya. My turn.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You need to talk sa atin, Jeanette.
Yes, I'm going to talk. It's
Alam mo yung
smoking
mag-drinks?
hot. I want water.
Oh, kuha ka doon.
Wait. First. Oh, wala. I'm going to look like the
No. You need to eat. Three.
3, 2, 1. Oh,
Okay, you need
what do you want to
become.
what do you want to be when you grow up? To be a bakla?
Engineer.
Ha?
Computer engineer.
Gaya.
Don't galaw-galaw much.
Gaya siya.
You need to talk to
Oh,
her.
talk. 2. Oh, speak. What can you say about the food?
Yummy.
Yun lang. Dapat madaming, wait lang.
How many
Madaming
rate?
sentence.
How many rate? 10. 10
Oh,
out
10.
of? 10.
Baka 100 yan ah.
Okay, my turn.
Naka 6 nga na malas naman.
3.
Hindi nakakain.
What
What can you say about the food?
It's yummy.
It's yummy.
Second bite.
Ilan yun ako mo? Smoking pa siya.
It's hot.
Ano mga flavor?
One flavor only. Octopus. Cheesy octopus.
Oh, cheesy. My favorite flavor is ham and cheese. That's my favorite. 2, pang third na yan. It's my turn. OMG, di ako nakakain kahit 6 man. Hindi ako nakakain ng isa pang takoyaki.
So
That's
yummy.
so interesting. My turn. Alin yung kutsara ko dyan?
Mm-hmm.
5.
Mm-hmm.
So, wait. Let me put my mic there.
How about you? If you rate that food, how many?
It's 100 over 10.
Mm. First bite.
When it arrives, it's so hot.
Because bagong luto. Yeah?
Pero hindi siya na... Diba, i-deliver? Ba't hindi siya?
Deliver. Malapit ang
Where is that location?
signal. Did you print your project? How many did you pay?
21? Well,
Third bite.
the octopus is so chewy.
Yeah, not so lambot. Is that your fourth bite?
Third.
Oh my God. Downside, the octopus is not.
Hindi siya
It's
malambot.
so. Tuna plates.
Fourth bite.
Oh. Hot. Buti di ka nagra-rap, no? Not so hot, pero hot.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Balance.
Yeah.
This is my fifth bite.
Four. Thank you, Lord. May matitira pa naman. Okay, start. You need to talk to Nicole.
Not so...
That's the challenge.
You need to talk before you,
What you're gonna going to say.
anong dapat mo sabihin. English dapat.
Where's
So yummy.
uh,
Lahat sabihin. So yum. So yum. So yum. Mama, pahinga ko tubig.
mm.
I don't eat lunch for this challenge. So, my tummy have a big...
Safe siya, di siya nagsasalita na.
Oo! Hindi pa yun!
Ay,
Salita ka!
masira.
Salita ka!
Oo nga.
Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Ayoko na!
Napaayaw na lang eh.
Two.
Okay, start.
Sabi niya kaganina, mapapaupo na lang ako sa tabi kasi di ako marunong mag-English. Dapat pala ganun.
Ah.
Challenge.
I saw it in YouTube. No, Facebook.
Yeah. And the next...
Someone's playing like
And
that. And it's so fun. Because if you...
I bought this.
But the other one is if you talk in Tagalog, you're... Yeah.
Tagalog.
Yeah. Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Yeah.
Tagalog.
No,
Tagalog.
I'm explaining.
Explaining.
Second bite.
Oh. Talk to Papa. My turn.
Okay.
3. Okay.
Kanila naman.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sa kanila naman. Parang kaya sa
If you make a face, I make the face, you make the sound.
Later.
Right?
Chewy yung octopus.
Hindi siya ano ta?
Hindi pa siya tumayo, kaya tayo ng ano.
1.
Hindi malambot yan papatawan ng ano.
Pero yung iba naman, di ba ta?
Kasi yan ito.
Pagdo ate. Pagdo ka?
Busog na ako.
Ayaw niya naman ikitigaran dito. Maganda yung sa isa pag nagsalita ka ng English.
Di ba may ano tayo kanina? May sinabing laro.
Hmm?
May sinabing laro kanina.
Na,
Yung kapatawa.
mamaya. Si Nicole pagod na, oh. Busog siya kasi nag-ano siya eh. Nag-merienda
Kumain
siya.
ako kanin.
What did you eat? You need to bite that in 6 pieces. Charot. Ano kinain mo?
Fries.
Nag-aabang na ako sa sagot. Kaya nga, inaabangan ko yung subo niya eh. Bye!